Have you ever watched those intricate map sequences in popular documentaries and wondered how a single person could possibly pull off such complex motion graphics? It feels like you would need a massive budget and an entire team of motion designers to craft those silky camera moves and perfectly labeled geographic transitions. But I am here to tell you that it is actually much more accessible than it looks, and you can achieve those same high-end results with just a few clever tools. In this guide, I will show you how to build these stunning map animations and, more importantly, how to turn that work into a steady stream of viral content using Vizard. Let us start by looking at Hera, which is a fantastic web-based tool for generating quick and professional map animations. Once you log into your dashboard, simply head over to the template section to find a massive library of pre-built map styles ready for your project. You can browse through options like global zooms, flight paths, or labeled regional maps to find exactly what fits the narrative of your story. The real power is in the prompt box, where you can type something like highlight the United States and zoom into New York, and it handles the rest. It takes care of all the tedious camera easing, keyframes, and masks that would normally take hours to set up inside complicated software like After Effects. While Hera is incredible for fast, stylish maps, it leans more towards motion graphics rather than the ultra-realistic satellite look. If you need that photoreal aesthetic with building shadows and terrain textures, that is when you should turn to Google Earth Studio. It is a free tool from Google, though you will need to apply for access by letting them know you are a creator building content for your audience. Inside the Earth Studio interface, you get a real-time 3D Earth canvas where you can manually place keyframes to craft cinematic, realistic camera movements. You can start your shot from high up in the atmosphere and glide down to a specific city block with incredible, stunning detail. Once your scene looks perfect, just render it out as a high-quality video file so you can drop it directly into your main project timeline. Now, the workflow I recommend is using Hera for quick, polished motion graphics and Google Earth Studio when you need that specific, realistic satellite look. However, just making the video is not enough because most creators post their long-form content and hope for the best without maximizing their reach. This is where Vizard comes in, which is the ultimate growth tool for turning that one long video into dozens of viral short clips. Vizard uses smart AI to scan your footage, find the most engaging oh wow moments, and automatically slice them into short, punchy content. You do not have to waste time manually trimming videos or searching for the right hook, as the software handles all of that heavy lifting for you. It can even automatically add captions and smart reframing so your clips are perfectly optimized for platforms like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Beyond just editing, you can use Vizard's content calendar to schedule these posts across your platform so your growth remains consistent. This turns your single long-form masterpiece into a daily content machine that keeps your audience engaged without you having to babysit the process. Let us talk about trade-offs, because while Hera is brilliant for speed, its advanced realistic styles are locked behind a paywall. Google Earth Studio is free and beautiful, but it definitely requires more of a time investment to master the manual keyframing and camera settings. And remember, Vizard is not a tool to create the maps, but rather the engine that distributes them and helps you scale your channel effectively. I once made a mistake in a map template, but instead of deleting it, I turned that honest moment into a short video that actually performed really well. Your audience values authenticity, so sometimes those little imperfections can lead to higher engagement than a perfectly polished ad. If you want to save money but keep the production value high, this combination of free and paid tools is the smartest way to compete with larger studios. I have even put together a completely free guide on how I use these exact tools to structure my tutorials for maximum clip potential. It walks you through my full process for hooks, editing, and scheduling, so you can stop burning out and start seeing real growth. There is a link in the description below where you can grab that guide right now. No fluff, just the steps that actually worked for me. The days of needing a massive team to create high-budget map sequences are officially over, provided you have the right tech stack. So, make your assets, let Vizard chop them into bite-sized clips, and let the automation do the heavy lifting for your channel's growth. Stick around for the next part of this video where we will dive into a live walkthrough of creating a map, rendering it, and turning it into a week's worth of content. It is honestly quite satisfying to see one single recording turn into a full-scale content machine right before your eyes. I hope you are ready to give this a try, because your viewers are going to love the upgrade in your storytelling quality. Let us get started and build something that truly stands out in your niche.